Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about experiments with water, chapter 7 of class 5 EVS. This is part 2 of the lesson. In the first part of the lesson, we discussed about floating and sinking of objects, and we did experiments with water, and we learned about the buoyant force. In this part, we are going to learn about what dissolved and what did not. On Sunday, Ayesha's cousin brother Hamid came to her house to play. As soon as he came, he asked his aunt to make his favorite shakar para, a sweet dish. Ammi said, "Let me come back from the market, then I will make some for you. Why don't you help me?" Take 2 glasses of water and put a bowl of sugar in it. Mix it till it dissolves. Hamid thought, "Let me finish this work fast, then I will watch TV." Suggest some ways to Hamid for quickly dissolving sugar. Things can be dissolved quickly by stirring it fast, heating up the liquid, making a powder of the thing to be dissolved. These are the ways to dissolve things quickly. Here is an experiment. For the experiment, you will need 4 to 5 glasses or bowls, spoons, water, and the things listed in the table. They are salt, soil, chalk powder, 1 spoon milk, and oil. Take some water in each glass. Now try to dissolve one thing in one glass. Observe what happens and note in the table. The first one is salt. Salt mixed in water and mixed completely. The second one is soil. Soil settled down in the water and the water became muddy. The third one is chalk powder. Chalk powder settled down and the water became whitish. The fourth one is 1 spoon milk. Milk dissolved in water completely and the water became whitish. The fifth one is oil. Oil not dissolved in the water and floats on the surface of the water. Could you see the salt after it dissolved in water? If no, why? Salt cannot be seen after it dissolves in water. This is because the salt is completely soluble in water. The next is, does that mean that now the water does not have salt in it? If it has, then where is the salt? No, it does not mean that the water does not have salt. The salt is dissolved in water. What difference did you see in the water with salt and the water with chalk powder after keeping for some time? Salt mixed completely with water while chalk powder settled down at bottom. Which of the two would you be able to separate from the water by straining with a cloth, salt or chalk powder? We can separate chalk powder from water by straining with a cloth. While doing the experiment, Ayesha and Hamid had an argument. Ayesha felt that after stirring it, the oil dissolved in water. Hamid did not agree. He said, "Look, the tiny yellow oil drops can still be seen in the water." Ayesha said, "Let's wait for some time and then see." Do you think the oil got dissolved in the water? Why do you think so? One day, Ayesha's mother put some water to boil on the stove for making tea. She got busy with something and forgot about it. When she remembered and came to check, she found very little water left in the pan. Think, where did the water go? The water evaporated and turned into vapor. Water changes to gas from liquid. Why did Chitti Babu and Chinna Babu keep their mango jelly in the sun? They kept their mango jelly in the sun so that the water from the jelly could evaporate. At your house, what things are made by drying in the sun? There are so many things in our house which we made by drying in the sun. They are potato chips, papads, pickles, sabudana papad, and so many. Dandi March. This incident took place in 1930 before India became independent. For many years, the British had made a law that did not allow people to make salt themselves. They had also put a heavy tax on salt. By this law, people could not make salt even for use at home. How can anybody live without salt? Gandhiji said, how can a law not allow us to use freely what nature has given? Gandhiji with several other people went on a yatra, that means a long walk, from Ahmedabad to the Dandi seashore in Gujarat to protest against this law. Do you know how salt is made? The sea water is collected in shallow beds dug in the sand. Water is allowed to dry in the sun. After the water dries, the salt remains on the ground. This is how the salt is made. This is the end of Chapter 7, Experiments with Water. Class 5 EVS. If you like this channel, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.